With all that Dare County has to offer, substance abuse is far from the minds of most people. But the Dare County Substance Abuse Prevention and Education Task Force is bringing together a unique partnership to make a difference.
When we talk about addiction in Dare County, it is prevalent. It's a very complex, complicated issue. It's an issue for a lot of individuals, a lot of families. It can devastate communities. I think clear and good, correct information is key. The majority of the kids in our community are not abusing drugs and alcohol, but we do have such high prevalence rates that it is a top priority. It's not only about substance abuse, it's a public health issue and a public safety issue.
The Substance Abuse Task Force was started to get the various groups in the county who work in prevention services to understand what each other's doing and to learn from each other and become efficient. We have a problem that is crying for a solution, and we have intelligent resources capable of providing these solutions, but we've got to be willing to work with one another to do that. We are searching for not one, but a variety of solutions that we can merge together from varying points of view in a synergistic fashion to once and for all reach the most vulnerable among us. We owe it to our kids, we owe it to ourselves, and we owe it to our futures to at least try.
The Substance Abuse Education Task Force is solely focused on education and prevention. And we are developing an inventory of substance abuse prevention education programs and services in Dare County. And we want to come up with a comprehensive listing so anybody can look at that list and they can see all the programs and services that we have in place for our youth. And we're also looking at programs for parents, because parents need help with substance abuse education with the kids. They need to understand about it so they can help with their kids.
It's important to start substance abuse prevention education with middle and high school students because generally that's when they first become exposed to opportunity to use tobacco products, including e-cigarette products, alcohol, and prescription medications, as well as a variety of other substances. The other reason that it's critical to reach students in middle and their high school years is that they're learning how to solve their problems, they're learning how to deal with their emotions, they're learning how to have fun. So this is an opportunity to give them some alternative ways to deal with their problems, to deal with things when they're feeling sad or angry, or even alternative ways to celebrate other than using substances.
The strategies are a mile long, but prevention is truly key. Stopping drug abuse and addiction before it starts is the best prevention we can do. I believe that the work that the Prevention Task Force is doing is key. We need multiple sectors of the community coming together. Like I said before, it's a complex, complicated issue. We need everybody working together to support that main goal of reducing substance abuse and also preventing it.
It's going to be a process that's going to follow with these kids throughout their lives in school, and as they grow and get older, you need different levels of a way to reach them. One of these groups is going to resonate with that kid and get through to them to make them realize that the choice for drugs is a poor choice. If they understand that it's the wrong road to go down and the why it's the wrong road to go down, you have to feel like you've got a real good chance of keeping that child safe. No matter what's going on around them, they can have the tools within themselves to fight it off, if you will.